Right, good morning everybody, I'm Dave Wood for Baguptv. We're on his way today to the Ultimate Bomb and Feeder Championship at Lindholme Lakes. It's a series of matches what Alex and Aaron are running, and if you qualify, you've got to win your lake. If you qualify, you get through to the £10,000 final, which is at Lindholme Lakes. So it's like a little bit of a super series there of array of matches. I got this ticket off Craig Tidswell because he already qualified, so well done, Craig. Yeah, it's what is it today? It's like the 19th of December, I think it is, a Thursday. It's not been fishing great, Lindholme. It's very hard. It's very hard all over the country at the moment, fishing wise, and Lindholme's no different. So it's going to be hard work wherever we get. If we can get 30 or 40 pound, we might be in a chance for winning the lake, and that's all we've got to think about. I think Alan's there today. I think Jeff's packed in for the winter, so we'll see where Jeff when Jeff comes back. I'm sure there'll be a few there what we know, so should be a good day. It's going to be about 6-7 degrees, so not too cold, but yeah, just up for a good draw. So let's get there now, and we'll see what happens.
Never break, always fight, never quit, do it right, play the game, win it life, have no shame, there's no time, feel the pain, live the grind, I could change, in my mind, pick a lane, commit and climb, the only way to win it life. I never miss, that's fact, taking big swings, put your hand to the bat, put me in the ring, you'll go out in a bag, cause I sing what I mean and I bring it to the mad light. Ain't got time to kill, I got time to feel, I took the red pill, I know life's short so I wanna live real, but how's it supposed to feel?
Right, here we are. We're on peg 40 on Laurels, which this is where I've qualified for the golden rod on this peg. It's a decent area in this sort of bowl area. Got Jamie Harrison, Matt Pilley. So it's, to be fair, it should be one of us three in this area, unless somewhere else kicks up. But this is where you want to be. I'm 100% sure this is where you want to be. Anyway, this is where we are. We're all set up raring to go. We've got fishery micros, a few 6mm, a few bit of corn, bit of bread, all my wafters and stuff. These are the new prototype wafters, what we're trialling from Bait Tech, really nice. And then my rods, I've got 2 Essential Legend X-Lite feeders with the new line on. It's all set up. Oh, there we are. Garbolino Essential feeder X-Lite them, and then I've got a normal method feeder set up with a little hybrid on. And that's it. That's my peg. We'll see how we get on. Hopefully It'll be a great day. See what happens, eh? Wish me luck. Right, we're all ready to go. 2 minutes from the off. See what happens. I don't like this wind blowing straight in my face. Cold wind as well. But you never know. You never know. I mean, a few fish jumping down there, pretty much in front of Matty. Quite a few short around that aerator and all, which I'm a bit worried about. But that is what it is, isn't it? You can only do what you do. See if there's some fish around here. Start in front and then just move. Probably go to island sort of thing. I'm not going obviously over there, just here, just in front. So we've got quite a nice bit of area to go at. And then just down here, if all happens later on. But it should be a nice day, and we'll see what happens. I think we're 2 minutes from now. We'll start on a bit of bread, just chuck about, see if we can catch a few carp what just sat there, and then we'll ease us way in. See if anyone catches out. Show Matty in the corner. But we'll see how it goes. Good luck, lads. Wanted to, but we'll gauge it. See what happens there. Not going a little bit too far there. If we get any liners, then we'll come shorter. And then we'll just work his way around and then back round, I think, for the first sort of hour. See if we can pick a few fish up. Look on me. And we'll see if we can feed her. Give it half an hour and then start feeding a bit of a corn line or a few pellets here and there just to stir them up if we've not caught them. So, right, hopefully I'll come back to you when we've got one on. Baby carp. See what it's called now. Feel my hands. Wind's punishing straight in face. Right. Oh. Or in like a second. Can't believe that.
to just hit the bottom and gone. Oh. Nice if it did that up there, wouldn't it? As soon as it goes round. Lovely trouble. That didn't happen that time, did it? But that's alright, 2 fish will do. I think the lad over there's had 2 or 3. I've seen anyone else catch up. So I'll keep going up there, keep putting a few fish in the net. That'll be lovely. Right, well, we're about an hour and a half in. It's nearly 11:45. I've had a carp and a little F1. Matthew's had a good carp, about £8 and a couple of F1s. Jamie Harrison, he's just getting one now. He's got a few small fish in there. So, Matty's winning at the minute now as well. Ladder Cross keeps getting an odd one as well. But I'm just having a cup of tea. I've got a nice little bit Christmas gift from bread. It's quite nice and stuff. A bit of marzipan on top. A bit of marzipan. But the lad over there, he's got about 3, I think. So I've had a chuck around. I pinged a few pellets and pinged a bit of corn out. Just have a knock on it then. It's hard work. Hopefully it'll start picking up in the next couple of hours. I might have a go on that method as well in a minute. But yeah, see how it goes. I'm enjoying my cup of tea and we'll get back to you in a bit. Right, just switch it over to the first chunk. It's really slow, this. Back in the game. Right, well, I've just lost 2 carp on the bounce down this side. I've gone into a snag and then I've lost one out in front, just rolled over my line and bloody snapped me. Yeah, and just gone out in front and snapped me. Not had that for a long time, but it is what it is. Matt Billy's catching, and I think he's probably winning this whole lake at the minute, from what I can see. Jamie's had a big one as well, but I think it is Matt. You know, wouldn't be winning if I got them 2 bloody carp in, so they've cost me big time. But going into the last hour and a half now, hopefully we'll catch a few and keep going, see what we've got at the end there. Just keep going. Right, just had a F1 and skimmer. Matty Billy's doing probably the best with gobblers, and just chucking a method to that island. I'm getting odd bite now, but I can't go anywhere else in the bowl area where you think you can catch. So, probably just going to keep on these.
Thank you. Next section, again on Laurels, on page 40, with £33.9 is very good. Well done, Dave.
Cheers, Matt. Thanks, Matt.
Video, look.
Huh?
Got some editing to the side. It's on one side with 19.9, page 48, George Robinson.
Well done, George.
You want to do it again, would you, sir?
Aye, you're alright, Matt. You're alright.
Oh, it's another one.
Oh, another one late in.
Oh, thanks very much. Winner of the next section on bonsai on page 83 with £23.14 is Lee Hall.
Well done, Matt.
Fourth overall from 10 on Benny's with a weight of 46.70 quid is Steve Topley.
Well done, tappers. Not here.
Still backing up.
Third overall from 40 on Loco with weight 48.12 with 110 quid is Steve Curtis.
Well done, Steve.
Second overall from 44 Loco with weight 55.13 with 150 quid is Mark Parkin.
Well done, Mark.
And your winner today, 190 quid, Brennan Athlight Rod, from 2 on model from 917.
Well done, Mark. Right, we're back in the van. As you can tell, it's a different day, and after the ultimate bomb and feeder round at Lindholme Lakes, where I drew peg 40 on Laurels, I was a little bit gutted. Plus, I'd got a really bad chest infection. Caught it off bloody Alan when we were doing that Christmas in the van chat, and I was coughing and spluttering all day, and my head weren't right. I was taking tablets and what have you. I didn't really want to say much, but I weren't in the best frame of minds, and I drew a good peg, and I tried to get my head down, and yeah, I think I ended up with about £35. I ended up coming about 6 in the match, but I ended up winning my section, which I got a nice little section win. I think it was 50 quid or whatever. But Matt Pilley won the match on peg 2. So well done to Matt Pilley. He qualified for the Ultimate Bomb and Feeder Championship, and he's ended up having £90, and he's just chucked bomb and bread, bomb and corn, just up and down sort of thing. Myself, I thought it was quite fair where we were chucking and everything. There were no complaints from me, really. I think the fish had just moved a little bit towards him. Normally they're in the bowl area, just where you can chuck out in front, and I've been chucking. I've gone as far as I can, what I thought was quite reasonable, and then I've moved around and I've picked odd fish up. I did catch a big carp on the method feeder, which were a lovely fish. And then in the last 2 hours I've gone down sort of my edge, but there's a snag down there which I didn't really know about it. And I've been chucking down there, and I've been getting one on, and then it's gone bang straight in a snag. And I've had that twice, and then I've had a big fish on, which has done me when I've just been trying to net it. It's just snapped. That's the first time that's happened. So my luck were against me, to be fair. My head weren't really right. I think I should have done better. Don't think I could have beaten Matt Pilley's 90 odd pound, but I definitely should have come second in the match, because I think second in the match were only like £45 or something like that, which I definitely, even if I'd got that big in, and I lost a couple of fish and what have you, but if my head had been right, and I definitely could have come second in the match. So I messed up a bit there, which I've got to put it down to the way that we're feeling and what have you, and my head not right in it. And even Matt at the end, I said to Matt, I said, well done, Matty, you've done well there, mate. And he says, look, he says it costs you having that cold and not being with it and everything like that. And I said, yeah, I know. I said, I haven't been with it today. And he says, yeah, I can tell. He says, you should have been in bed, really. I said, yeah, but you know, that's fishing. I'd rather be fishing than be stuck in bed all day, coughing my head off. So anyway, well done to all the framers. I'll put the results up for you now. Fantastic result. Always love it at Lindholme Lakes. Drawn a good peg as well for the, yeah, should have done better than just winning my section, but it is what it is. That's fishing for you, innit? And just chucking around, trying to find a few fish, and them lost fish have cost me this time, so gutted about it. But I won't rabble on, there's more to come. So yeah, very nice day at Lindholme Lakes. Wish it could have gone my way, but it just didn't. That's time, that's fishing for you. So well done to everybody else. Hope to get a few more tickets for this, because I'm really enjoying this Ultimate Bomb and Feeder League at Lindholme Lakes. It's 10 grand for the winner, and it's like the golden rod, but further up our way, and you can use the bomb and everything. You can feed by hand and stuff like that. So really enjoying it, to be fair. Great competition that they've put on this year, and hopefully it'll continue and get bigger. But yeah, really enjoy it on a Thursday. You can't go wrong, can you? Just going up there, fishing a match, and yeah, really good, really enjoying it. So that's it. Thanks for sticking around and watching to the end. If you have stuck around and watched to the end, make sure you subscribe up to the videos, give us a thumbs up, all that good stuff. And if you want to become a member, there's loads and loads of videos on our members only. All you do is just hit the join button, pick which option you want, and then you can watch all the members only videos for you. Loads of hints, tips, live matches, everything. There's loads and loads of videos on there. So if you do me a favour, have a look at the members only, join if you can, and yeah, you can watch loads and loads more videos. That's if you can't get enough of Baguptv. You can't get enough, eh? Come on, get on that members only. That's it. If you can do me a favour, also go over to the Garbolino. We've just done a Christmas special on the Garbolino page, which is on the YouTube. Just type in Garbolino YouTube and it'll come up, all the videos on there. It's a Christmas special. We have some laughs and some great insight videos and products and everything like that. So just go over to the Garbolino YouTube page. Make sure you subscribe. Do me a massive favour. Thanks very much for watching anyway. I'll stop yambling now. And we will see you on the next one. We're going to get into the final on this Ultimate Bomb and Feeder League. I've got three more tickets. So come on, we've got to get in. We've got to get in. Right, see you on the next one. Keep on bagging.
Never break, always fight, never quit, do it right, play the game, win it life, have no shame, there's no time, feel the pain, live the grind.
Hi guys, thanks very much for watching the video. If you want to see more, just hit this icon down here. There's also a link for some extra videos down there as well. If you want to become a member, all you have to do is hit the join button and you can become a Baguptv member. Thanks very much for watching the video guys. We will see you on the next one. Keep on bagging.